So we know what motivates a searcher, why people go to search engines. But then what motivates the search engines? What is in it for Google? Of course, revenue. They are the fourth largest company in the world after Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft. That's because they have billions and billions of dollars in revenue every year, which is from running pay-per-click campaigns for its customers, for businesses like yours and mine. So of course, this is what they need from you. End of the day, they want you to click on an ad so they can get paid, they can make money. But what also motivates them is that they keep the searcher, the person who's on Google, on the properties that they own, which means Google would like to keep people either on Google or send them to YouTube because they also own YouTube. If a person does not click on an ad, and if Google doesn't make money from that person, then Google's next step would be is to send that person to YouTube because maybe that person may click on an ad in YouTube. So for example, right here, I did a search for how to clean bathroom tile. So maybe you're a company that provides this service of tile and grout cleaning. If a person wants to get his bathroom tiles cleaned, one thing you can do is go on a search engine and look for a company that provides this service. In some cases, he may first want to try and do it himself, or at least find out how it's done. So if you Google how to clean bathroom tile, and if you scroll down, what you see here is YouTube videos, how to clean bathroom tiles easily, how to clean bathroom tiles at home. You can have a video like this. You don't need any fancy equipment, by the way. You can just use your iPhone, your smartphone, shoot a video like this, put it on YouTube, search engine optimize it with the right meta tags and key phrases and so forth, and get it on page 1 of Google. So maybe your website in the search phrase tile and grout cleaning is not on page 1, but maybe your video can be on page 1. So that's another way to get traffic. Once your video finishes of how to clean bathroom tile easily, you can then say, hey, by the way, this is a lot of work. Let us know if you're interested. We can come to your house and do it for you, right? Same thing. How to remove, let's say another one. How to remove mold from shower. Again, if you provide mold cleaning services, guess what? You can have a video on how to clean mold from shower. How about from walls? See? How to remove mold from walls. You can have a similar video. At the end of the video, you can say the same thing. Hey, by the way, in order to remove mold, you need to be certified. You need to be licensed. And it can be dangerous working with mold. You must have the proper gear in order to do this. So why don't you give us a call? We can come and do that for you. We can take care of it for you. Maybe you provide free estimates and you can say, hey, give us a call for a free estimate. This is very powerful. How about how to waterproof a basement? See, once again, if you scroll down, all these videos from YouTube, maybe you provide basement waterproofing services. It doesn't matter what service you provide, cleaning, restoration, roof repair, waterproofing, or any other local services. You can always come up with a video and then put it on YouTube, search engine optimize it, and then of course, bring your video to page 1 of Google, and that's the way you'll get traffic, you'll get leads, you'll get customers. It's important to know that Google is trying to keep its searchers on Google first, of course, because they want that person, that visitor, to click on its ad. And then if that's not possible, then they would send that visitor to YouTube.